Ever wonder how Temu went from zero to dominating your social media feed faster than you can say unbelievable deals? The name Temu is actually short for Team Up, Price Down, and it's owned by a Chinese e-commerce giant called PDD Holdings. PDD Holdings is the parent company of Pinduoduo, a massively popular online marketplace in China, but Temu is their attempt to conquer the global market. Think of Pinduoduo as Temu's older, more established sibling. Pinduoduo has a massive user base in China and is known for its group buying model and deep discounts. Temu leverages PDD Holdings' established supply chain, connecting consumers directly with manufacturers in China. This cuts out the middleman, allowing them to offer super low prices. While Temu is based in Boston, Massachusetts for legal purposes, its operational roots are firmly planted in China. They are focused on expanding worldwide. Temu spends an enormous amount of money on marketing, especially through social media influencers, making it nearly impossible to avoid. But that also helps drive popularity and sales.